So we're listing a piece of property not far from the house here. As I drove up to it, I saw a trailer sitting in the lot. I've been wanting a trailer for the race car for quite a bit of time. Been rocking that flatbed for 7-8 years now. Anyway, let's go check out this trailer. It's been sitting there for 2 years. Got a little pulley system on the door to make it easier to get in and out. Well, we got the trailer home. It's a 20-foot by 8.5-foot car hauler. The owner cleaned it out for me. He had a bunch of tools in it sitting in that field for about 2 years. So it's got some issues. He says the lights don't work. Some of the wiring is probably bad, so we're gonna check that out. We're gonna get some new lights in it. We're gonna get some new tires on it. Check the breakaway system. Maybe put a new quick jack on it. So we're gonna go open it up, get this thing cleaned out. So on the front, just this one here is out. Okay. All the lights fully functional. I didn't have to replace any bulbs. I just went and jiggled them. The 3 that were out, jiggled them.